if you want to change the message tone on OnePlus 15, here's what you can do. So generally speaking, we can go to settings and then choose sound and vibration. And then in here, if you scroll down, we can find notification tone. And of course, the notification tone includes the message tone. So if you want to generally change the sound that the phone plays when you receive a message, then you can go to notification tone over here and you can choose any sound that you wish to be played. But like I said, this changes the sound for every notification, not just message notifications. And if you want to change the notification sound for a specific message, from a specific contact, then in that case we can go to Google Messages. And in here we can go to the conversation that we have with the contact for which we want to change the message tone. Tap on this we can tap on these three dots in the upper right corner and then go to details. And in details, choose notifications, then over here choose ring. And now we can choose once again the specific sound that should be played when we receive a message from that specific contact. And after that we can go back. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.